So today I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing up on your iPhone. And I'm also, this is also going to work in case you have already viewed your Spotify Wrapped, but you want to go back and view it again. So I have Spotify opened up here, and if it's not automatically popping up down here at the bottom and it hasn't showed you your Wrapped yet, one of the first things you can try to do is just search for it. So we're going to go ahead and select the search icon on the bottom middle down here, and then up in the search bar we're just going to type in Wrapped. Okay, and if you have a couple different options showing up, you want to make sure that you select the Wrapped 2022. Okay, and it should be a genre, not a playlist. If you go to the playlist, it won't necessarily show you the video. So let's go to Wrapped 2022. All right, and here we have it. This thing in the middle here is where we can actually view the video. Let me turn my volume down so the music doesn't play. All right, but here we can then watch the video. And if this doesn't work, then the next thing that you can try to do is go to your app store. Okay, and when you're in your app store, you want to go ahead and disable this. And you want to search for Spotify. And what you want to do is make sure that you're actually on the newest update from Spotify. So obviously here you can see that I actually have an update. And if you're on a even older version of Spotify than I am, it's a very good likelihood that you're not going to end up seeing that Spotify Wrapped. So here you would just update it and then follow the steps that I just showed you, and you should be able to find it if it doesn't automatically just show you it as soon as you update it. And if it still doesn't work after you have tried updating the app, then you can go ahead and just turn off your phone and reboot it and see if it will work after that. But hopefully this helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.